Hello, welcome to the last topic sentence video in the Paragraph Basics series. This third and last video is about the third requirement for topic sentences. Just a super quick review. A topic sentence in a paragraph is incredibly important because it communicates what the paragraph will be about. And in the rubric, there are 3 requirements for topic sentences. In video 1, we talked about the first requirement. In video 2, we talked about the second requirement. And in this video, we're going to be talking about the third requirement. So here it is. Your topic sentence should provide a general statement to answer the assigned question or address the assigned task. If there's no question or task, then you can just stop after statement. So your topic sentence should provide a general statement to express what the paragraph is about. Now, the word general is in italics. It's slanted. That's called italics. And that means we're trying to emphasize the word general. This should not have specific details. Your topic sentence is not a place for specific details. It's a place for just a general statement. Okay, let's talk about what this means. It means do not give reasons or details, just a general answer, just a general statement. Now, this is tricky because when you were a younger writer, you were taught to preview your details for your reader. You were taught to write a topic sentence that included the details that you were going to discuss in your paragraph. As you get older, you don't do that anymore. We are going to stop previewing the details and we're just going to give a general statement in our topic sentence. So let's look at an example. We have a sentence that says, Bernie Sanders is honest. He does not take money from big businesses, and he tries to help the poor. In order to give just a general statement, instead of giving these specific details, I'm going to add them all up. What do these reasons, what do these details add up to that I, the writer, want to say about Bernie Sanders? And what these details add up to that I want to say about Bernie Sanders is that Bernie Sanders would make a great president. That is my topic sentence. Later in the paragraph, I'm going to give the details to support why I think Bernie Sanders would make a great president. His honesty, his unwillingness to take money from big businesses, and his work to help the poor. That comes later. I'm not going to include that in my topic sentence. I think another method that you were taught in the past would be to preview your details like this. Bernie Sanders would make a great president because he is honest, he does not take money from big businesses, and he tries to help the poor. Listen carefully. We're not doing that anymore. We are only going to give the general information in our topic sentence. Bernie Sanders would make a great president, period. We're not going to include the specifics anymore. Okay. Sometimes this is hard. Sometimes it's hard to figure out how you can give a general statement. For example, here the task is to compare The Hunger Games and Divergent. And this trick, this hint for making sure that your topic sentences are general is called the magic many. The word many can be incredibly helpful for keeping your topic sentences general. So let's say that you have thought about this question, this task. You know that you're comparing, so you're looking for similarities between the Hunger Games and Divergent. And you've written down, you've brainstormed, you've looked at the books, you've looked at the text, and you've written down as many similarities as you can come up with. And when you write your topic sentence, you want to include the similarities in your topic sentence. You want to say something like, some similarities between the Hunger Games and Divergent are, and then you want to list the similarities. They both have female main characters. They both involve life or death situations, and on and on. And we're not going to do that. We are not going to include the specific similarities in our topic sentence. Our topic sentence is going to be general. It's a general statement to address this task. And so I'm going to try using the word many. And what do I come up with? There are many similarities between the Hunger Games and Divergent. That is a nice general statement. And now I can use the rest of the paragraph to provide the similarities that I want to discuss. So keep it general. Okay, so to review, we have talked about all of the text from the rubric, the 3 requirements of topic sentences. Here's the good news. Here's why this is so important. This is so important because you're a student, you're in 7th grade, you're going to be in school for, most of you are going to go to college, you're going to be in school for probably 9 more years. And in those 9 years, you are going to write some essays, probably a lot of essays. And in essays, these same exact skills that you use to write really strong topic sentences for your paragraph are used to write thesis statements, controlling ideas, claims in your essays. Let me explain. In informational essays, there's a sentence, and you can call it either the thesis or the controlling idea. Either name is fine. They both mean the same thing. And this sentence has the same exact job in the essay that a topic sentence has in a paragraph. It provides the foundation for the essay. It tells the reader what the essay will be about. Everything in the essay is connected to it. In argument essays, there's a sentence called a thesis or a claim. You can call it either. Either one is fine. And the thesis or claim does the same exact job in the argument essay that a topic sentence does in a paragraph. So the good news is you write thesis statements, controlling ideas, claims, in the exact same way as you write a topic sentence for a paragraph. These 3 requirements for topic sentences of paragraphs are the exact same requirements as for thesis statements in essays. So once you know how to write a strong topic sentence for a paragraph, once you understand the role that topic sentences play in a paragraph, and you practice with topic sentences in paragraphs a lot, and you get really good at writing them, you are also practicing writing thesis statements for essays because you write them in the exact same way. And that is something that is going to benefit you for a long time in school. So let's wrap it up. The learning objective of these 3 videos was to learn how to write a strong topic sentence for a paragraph. What I'd like you to do is review the notes that you've taken in these past 3 videos. And if you're taking notes on lined paper, then at the bottom of the notes, draw a line across the page and just write a 1 or 2 sentence summary of the lesson, the 3 videos. And then underneath that, draw another line across the page and write at least one question about the lesson. This is such an important skill that it's really important that you think about which parts of this are confusing to you, which parts you really don't understand, what questions you have, and write them down. It's a really good way to own your learning and to be in charge of making sure that you understand how to do this. And it will be beneficial for many years to come. Thank you so much for listening.